clock struck midnight and I was like, it's pumpkin spice season. Fall, 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 fall. We're gonna keep this short and sweet because we know why you're here. I used to be a Starbucks barista, so I've taken it upon myself to review new launches when they come out. I did take a brief hiatus, and by brief, I mean it's been almost 2 years since I've done one of these, but I was worried that was becoming too much of my brand and I needed to back up a little bit, but I'm ready to own the brand again.
She's ready to take back the Starbucks crown.
I am. I'm here with my sister Kit.
Hello.
She's joining us today on this taste test, and I wanted to give you guys like a scale of what we're gonna be rating these items from. We worked really hard to establish this scale. It's 1 to 5 pumpkins. The first one is like, I will never order this again. I will never recommend it. Trash.
That's like, I'm gonna throw it away when you're not looking.
That's like, I'm gonna drink it and then spit it right back in the cup. Pumpkin number 2 is you would recommend it to a friend, but it's just not your cup of tea. It's not like what you fantasize about fall. 3 pumpkins is you're like kind of indifferent. If someone surprised you with it, you drink it, but it's not like what you would order yourself, and it's kind of like, it exists on the menu, and it's like, whatever. 4 is I order this on like a regular occurrence. This is something that I get it all the time, and it tastes really great. And then 5 pumpkins is like, wow, this is the epitome of fall. The fireworks go off when this is in my mouth. Thoughts?
Yeah.
The first one here is the pumpkin spice frappuccino. She's stunning. I mean,
She looks like fall. I like that she's orange.
ooh,
That's good. I'd have that. It tastes like the pumpkin spice milkshake from Disneyland.
I like this. It actually isn't as sweet as I thought it was going to be. I would honestly say that this would be like a 3.
That's a 4 for me.
I don't think I would order this myself, but if I got it, I'd be like, oh, okay, this is really good. It's a 4 for you?
Yeah, I feel like I don't usually have frappuccinos on a day-to-day thing, so I feel like this would be like a really fun dessert.
That's pretty good, honestly. The toppings are good too. The next drink is new this year. It's the apple crisp macchiato, and I'm really excited about this one. It's like apple and brown sugar syrup. I love a good macchiato, and I think something like apple, I haven't had that in an espresso drink before.
I'm really curious on if it's gonna taste like a candle or if it's gonna taste
Edible.
Like yeah.
So I'm gonna like stick the straw in. I know I'm gonna get a ton of syrup at the bottom, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. It's borderline candle for me, but like in a good way.
That is borderline candle.
Maybe if we mix it up again, because now we've had it where the straw just enters the syrup, and it does taste like exactly what you would think of a candle tasting like, but it's got a little bit more cinnamon in there, and it's not overly sweet, but I think just the flavor itself, because it's artificial, you can't help but have that like candle essence.
When you mix it up, so much better.
Oh wow,
That's really fun.
it's a lot more subtle that way too.
I like that.
Moving on, I didn't realize Starbucks actually has some of these drinks in shorts, so I don't feel as bad. I mean, we're gonna keep them and microwave them for later, but this is the short pumpkin spice latte. I don't normally remember myself being crazy about this, so let's see. It's not really giving anything.
Oh, no.
It's a 1.
Yeah.
It tastes burnt.
Yeah, it's nothing really special.
That's a 1. Okay.
We got the apple in hot, so let's see. Ooh, yeah.
I'm like stirring to see if it's the bottom. I'm not really getting...
I wonder if it's because they're short. It's the ratio different.
Maybe. That just tastes like a normal caramel macchiato.
Yeah, this isn't anything that's like popping out.
As this video goes on, I'm getting progressively sweatier and my hair is just looking progressively worse. So the last drink is the pumpkin cold foam cold brew. We did remix this a little bit because this is what I want to drink today, and she always just... We get the same thing.
I just copy whatever she does because she always comes up with fun inventions.
So instead of the normal foam, we had it made with almond milk and sugar-free vanilla. And then I had asked for 2 pumps of pumpkin, but I think they added all 3, which is fine. It's not a big deal. But I'm only saying that because it's dropped to the bottom. I've had this before, and we're gonna try it again this year.
I like it.
I like it. I think I might even move it back down to 3 though, because if I were to go to Starbucks and order something, I'd probably just get my normal cold brew.
Same. It's interesting because there's so many things in here, but I only taste the almond milk.
Interesting. Okay, because my syrup's all at the bottom, I wanna get more of it.
My number 1 is still the apple macchiato.
To be honest, same. Let's try our food items. The pumpkin scone. I've had this before, but you haven't. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it because It's not overly sweet again.
It makes me think of Christmas more than it makes me think of Halloween, though. The icing is very, reminds me of like a gingerbread house. That's really good.
I really like it. The icing kind of cuts through because it kind of needs something like to pick it up because it's a little bit flat. You know, I was just thinking Starbucks should try making like a carrot cake one.
Ooh, that would be so good. What's also interesting is it's softer. I thought scones were supposed to be like hard.
That's true. It is soft.
It's like more like a loaf.
It's like spongy. I like that. I think I would give it a 3 because if someone got it for me, I'd be like, oh, sick. But I wouldn't order it myself. All right, this is the pumpkin muffin. It's got like the cream cheese on there. I mean, I think you just need to bite it so that you can get...
You can do it in half.
It's gonna be messy.
That's good. I think my bite was all just cream cheese, though.
The cream cheese is so like gelatinous. It's really weird in texture.
Yeah, it's like Pillsbury frosting tube.
But like not as good.
It's funny to see how this has changed over the years. This used to be my favorite when I was a kid. But this part's good.
Yeah, like a 2.
So cute!
We got the fox cake pop. It's adorable. I don't want to even bite into it because it's so cute.
It's so cute.
The reason why I was like, right away is because this is like one of my favorite textures of dessert, but I'm gonna give that like...
It's all sugar.
I'm gonna give that a 1. It has no flavor to it, and it tastes, if anything, it tastes like wax.
Yeah, it tastes like the melted chocolate candies. It's just goo.
Just goo.
It's just goo.
The top 2 for me were the iced apple, what is it called? Apple macchiato and the pumpkin scone.
Yeah.
If you were to try anything off of the menu this year, I think those 2 are like top tier.
I agree. And also, controversial opinion, if you're gonna try the pumpkin spice latte, get it in a frappuccino form. I think the frappuccino just tasted better than the latte.
I know it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but I hope you enjoyed this crazy fall ride with us. I mean, I definitely still thought it was summer still, but I'm not gonna complain when fall starts happening early.
Oh yeah.
Drop down below what your favorite fall drink from Starbucks is. It was so fun to spend time with you and try all these delicious treats, and now I'm like definitely sugar rush and really hot because we need to turn the AC on. Yes. Bye. Bye.